Video is here to stay. The video marketing statistics speak for themselves. All right, let's be real. How often do you watch videos online? Every day, right? Whether it's TikToks, YouTube tutorials, or those oddly satisfying cleaning videos, video is everywhere. And guess what? It's not going anywhere. Why is video marketing dominating, and how can you use it to crush your goals? Here's a fun stat to blow your mind. The average person spends 17 hours a week watching online videos. 17 hours per week. That's almost a part-time job. Platforms like YouTube, Instagram Reels, and TikTok are becoming where we consume most of our content. But this isn't just entertainment. Businesses are all in on video too. Around 89% of companies are already using video marketing. Why? Because it works. It grabs attention, keeps people hooked, and gets results. When you watch a video, you retain 95% of the message. Compare that to reading an article where the retention rate is just 10%. So, yeah, video wins. Adding a video to your website's landing page can boost conversions by up to 80%. That's not a small improvement, it's a game changer. A solid video gets shared like crazy. In fact, videos are shared 1,200% more than text and links combined. So if your goal is to go viral, or at least get noticed, this is the way. Here's the part where most businesses mess up. They don't think about what their audience wants to see. And let me tell you, people are picky. According to research, 91% of consumers want more video content from brands they follow. But they don't want boring corporate stuff. They want something engaging, informative, and even fun. Think tutorials, behind-the-scenes footage, or even unboxing videos. Show your audience who you are and what your product can really do. If you can connect with people through video, trust me, you'll win their attention and their business. Did you know people spend an average of 19 hours a week watching videos on their phones? That's not just Netflix binges, folks. We're talking about Instagram stories, TikTok trends, and even ads. If your videos aren't optimized for mobile, you're missing out. Big time. Keep it short, keep it vertical, and make those first 3 seconds count. People have the attention span of a goldfish. Okay, not literally, but close. So what's the game plan? I'm glad you asked. Here's how to turn these stats into results for your brand. Know your audience. Who are you talking to? Gen Z, millennials, a mix? Their video habits are very different, so make sure you tailor your content. Pick the right platforms. Posting the same video everywhere doesn't work. YouTube is ideal for longer videos like tutorials. Instagram and TikTok are all about quick, snackable content. LinkedIn? Stick to professional thought leadership vibes. Track your results. Analytics matter. Are people watching till the end? Clicking your links? Leaving comments? Use that data to tweak and improve your next video. All right, here's the deal. If you're not already using video marketing, it's time to start. The stats don't lie. Video is essential for grabbing attention, driving sales, and building your brand. Remember, the key is to start somewhere even if you're a beginner. Shoot or create that first video, post it, and learn as you go. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. Now, make your mark in the video world. Read the full blog post at newhorizons123.com.